everyone, I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Industrial Cloud. Today, I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you all. We have just launched a major update for our Fogwing CMMS application. Joining me is Prasad, our Customer Success Specialist, and together we will walk you through some of the key features of this release. First up, we have a major enhancement to our dashboards. Maintenance managers can now get a more comprehensive view of ongoing work orders, including who is working on what at a glance. Next, we have introduced an ownership table on the Asset 360 page, which is a new addition, which provides clear insights into which customer owns each asset, adding clarity to asset management. We have also enhanced our reporting capabilities with the new stock report designed to help you monitor parts that fall below threshold quantities, ensuring you're always prepared. And now I'll hand it over to Prasad, who will give you a quick demo of these fantastic new features. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello, everyone. My name is Prasad, and I'm part of customer success team. And I'm going to show you all the new feature that we have added in Fogwin CMMS software here. So let me quickly share my screen here and show you all the feature that we have added. So as you can see here, let's talk about the first uh, feature that we have added in the dashboard, which is the recent work activities. Now, this features enables the maintenance manager on a day-to-day basis to see um, all the work which has been done on all the work orders, irrespective of their type. So all the comments and action notes which has been given by the maintenance engineers on a day-to-day basis will be visible here. Maintenance manager can take a glance at this, and they will come to know exactly what kind of work is done on which work order by simply just clicking on that work order here. So let me explain you with an example here. So if we go into execute work order section here, and in the work order section here, if we just simply come to the work order update section here, if we execute any of the work order here, so here, as you can see, if I click on submit here, so earlier this information of the action note was visible into the work order progress history, which was visible to the maintenance manager here. But if you go into the dashboard now, that action note will be visible into this particular recent work activity section here. So just by clicking onto this work order code here, the manager would be able to see the entire work order in the dashboard itself. So which helps the maintenance manager to easily track the progress of any of the work orders here. Moving on to the next feature that we have added in Fogwin CMMS application is the customer ownership information, which we have added in the Asset 360 feature here. So we simply go into any of the asset here, and in the asset information itself, if you scroll down a bit, you will see an ownership information which is visible here in front of your screen. So you will be able to see the customer name, customer code, email, and status of this particular asset. Now, the reason behind adding this information, this piece of information, additionally, is that whenever you are using the asset tracking feature, you have to manually go into the customer management, and you have to check each customer to check which assets are associated with which customer, which was a tedious task. So to eliminate all the steps and to make the task more easier, we have added this customer ownership information in the Asset 360 feature here. So just by looking at the glance of this, you will be able to know the information of customer which is currently using this asset or monitoring this asset, and you can simply just copy the customer code and customer email address from the ownership information tab itself. Yes. So this is the second feature that we have added. Now let's talk about the last feature that we have added is the stock report. So as you can see here in the report section and in the inventory section of that, you will see the stock report here. Once clicking on this, you will be able to see all the information about the current stock of the parts which are maintained. So the maintenance manager can simply come into this stock report to see which parts are less in quantity or which parts are currently crossing the threshold by simply just using this filter here. If we select the range here, so if you give any of the number here, then the threshold quantity will be visible here. And by just checking the threshold quantity or the quantity in stock, the maintenance manager can then restock these depleting parts within their inventory. And also you will be able to download this uh, as a Excel or a PDF format. So that is also an additional feature which is there within this stock report feature we have added. So once you download it, you can view it into the Excel file. As you can see here, you'll be able to see the part name, part code, and different variant, quantity in stocks, and other important details about the particular parts here, or you can download it as a PDF uh, to view it in PDF format, all the stock report for the particular parts here. As you can see, the parts which are in status, which are in stock, will be shown as green, and the parts which are out of stock will be red in color. The parts which are low in stock will be yellow in color. So that by downloading this PDF format, you will come to know which part exactly is depleting and is out of stock. So these are all the feature that we have added into this latest update of Fogwin CMMS application. Stay tuned for such more feature coming up soon. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Prasad, for that fantastic demo. We even have more exciting features coming up in our next releases, so be sure to stay tuned. Thank you.